Hello everyone. I will try to be as short as possible. I will just give a brief overview of a tutorial document that you already have on our GitHub page for the challenge part. So yes, you already have this on the GitHub page and you can take a look at it at any time. So first, you will soon get, as soon as the hackathon really starts, you will get raw data. There will be 1,000 files for each user, and the data format will be day ID, time ID, raw value. So we have 1 month data during winter time, 1 month data during summertime. Time ID, we have 48 measurements in each day, and then the value of the smart meter data that Evangelos already talked about. You will see here the numbers, the IDs, everything. You will, in order to make it easier for you to read all this data, we provided a library for you. It's written in Java. Hope all of you are using Java for this. To read and to dump the output of your algorithm. So let me go further.
You have to look there.
Hmm?
No, you have to look there.
Okay. So first, how to make your working directory. So what you will need, this is a raw directory that we will give you soon. You will have a library directory with this jar that I will explain a bit later, and the output of the working directory will be this output folder with the new output files. So the point of your algorithm is to somehow convert raw values to output values and zip them and upload them. What is about the library? So first I will focus only on two classes. There is a loader class and dumper class. So as the name says, a loader class will just load the raw values, and what you actually really need to know is this method, export raw values. As a result, you will have a Hashmap where all data is organized in following fashion. So first, Hashmap that matches the user ID to the day ID, to the time ID, and it matches to the raw value. I think this is it was the best way to organize all the data you have, and this is actually the Hashmap that you will only use. My suggestion is for you to create a class that will implement your function and just call this export raw values to feed your class, and then the output will be used by the dumper class. Further, we provided some utility methods like get all the sorted users from this Hashmap, or get sorted days, get raw values, and so on and so forth. And then I will just be fast. On the dumper class, what you actually need is to just dump the results of your algorithm. So again, in order you not to worry about how many users there are, what are their IDs, what day IDs there are, we created this method that it says initialize the output map. So it will just fill the map with all the identification numbers that we actually have from the raw data. You will just need to substitute this last number. Instead of raw data, you need to put the output values of your algorithm, and then use the method dump that will write it in that output directory. How is the, of course, there is some utility methods. There is a calculator that can say you, okay, if you give the day ID, which week is that, or which day of the week, if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if that is valuable to your algorithm. I'll just jump through this. There is an example code. You can take a look at it in the tutorial of how to use all these methods really in practice with that k-means that Evangelos was talking about. I will not explain this now. And I will just jump to how are we analyzing the output of your algorithm. So what the point is, basically we have raw data, we want to add some noise, but at the end, when we perform some aggregation functions, the accuracy of those functions should be satisfactory. That means that by adding noise, average local error should be higher than global local error, which is the error of aggregation functions. And then we will have entropy and diversity as privacy preservation functions, let's say, that will show the higher the entropy, the better data is preserved. So these 4 parameters, we will have the leaderboard we'll talk about later, and each team will be ranked based on these parameters. But those, the rankings on the leaderboard will not be the only way for judging, I guess. Yeah, that should be it from me. If you have any more questions, I'll be here whole day today and tomorrow for anybody of you who is doing the challenge. If you have any questions now or not, I will be here the whole day. So if you have any questions, just contact me or look at the tutorial. Thank you.